Hi, I'm Annika Johnson from Al Johnson's in Sister Bay. I hope you enjoy my new video series called Door County Girl. These are stories of my life, the people and places that I love, and of course how we all survive here in northern Wisconsin. You can come back as often as you like, but don't forget to subscribe to Al's YouTube channel. I'll be posting lots of really cool new videos. So let's go! Hi everyone, welcome to another episode of Door County Girl. We're a little bit excited today. This is our boutique manager in the main restaurant that we hired last year, and she's been busy getting everything ready in that boutique, but we've also been getting this little Telemark boutique ready. It is going to be our little sale building, I guess you want to call it. All of our buildings are Telemark style Norwegian log buildings, hence the name Telemark Boutique. And a long time ago, for those of you that don't know this was a store. It was a men's clothing store, and it was ran by John Ostran when he was a single bachelor. And he sold all men's clothing, high-end, everything. My dad wore his whole wardrobe, Al Johnson bought from John Ostran. And then everybody's like, oh, I see you have an Izod shirt. And my dad goes, what's an Izod shirt? The alligator. I'm like, I don't know what the alligator. He doesn't care. He just wears the same shirt and pants every day, and John dressed him from the Telemark Boutique. So it's been sitting empty forever and ever and ever. And actually the Mullet Hunters used to practice out here, Freddie's band.
How about that?
So our kitchen manager and a couple cooks all got together and got a band, and they muffled this up and they practiced out here. Then they went somewhere else, and then we just used it for storage ever since. But we came up with an idea of, why do we always have to try to have a sale tent on the busy weekends when it's crazy busy, when we can have a sale building right here? So everything in this building is 50% off. And maybe some days it'll be even more. We never know. It's a little surprise.
Some surprises here and
there.
Mm-hmm.
So this is Kara Forkert, and she is our boutique manager. I work for her, even though she works for me.
It's a team effort.
Yeah. So my son grew up with her, and they were like besties. So
yes.
This is how we've known each other forever and ever. And she was waitressing and hostessing, and she knows the whole business.
You're like my second mom, my
I
boss,
baby. Anyway, Kara, you're gonna take it away, and we're gonna walk over here.
Yes.
And I just want to say, one of my friends, Kåre, from Norway. Hi, Kåre. I think I'm saying his name right. His dad and some of his relatives built all these buildings. These were all taken over from Norway and built here. And I just got a photo of his dad and his friends sitting on the stoop here when it was built. And then we also have this one, how it is today. And nothing's changed except for the color. So it's really interesting. If you can take a look at it, you can go to Annika Johnson's Facebook page or whatever, or maybe it's on the Al Johnson Facebook page. Could be.
Could be, yeah.
Could be. Anyway, let's go check it out.
Let's check it out.
All right.
So if you see the location of the restaurant and the warehouse here, we're tucked back in the corner. It's hard to see sometimes when the parking lot's full, which is oftentimes on the weekends. And then you have this little pathway to a pond.
Right, and I just want to say, if you don't want to deal with any of that and you just want to check out the store, come on the back way here. Mm-hmm. Just come on the back road and sneak right in here, check it out, and then you have an easy way out.
Yep.
Easy
Absolutely.
in, easy out.
It's so peaceful out here.
Yep.
Nice little pond.
Yep, that is a very nice little pond. Where Jolene go? Jolene's in the pond.
And this is it.
Yep. And again, in the restaurant, we have everything hand carved by the Norwegian carpenters, which is just beautiful, around all the windows on the outside as well. So these are just an art piece in itself. They're beautiful. So stepping up. So the only thing that we've really changed in here is that we took out the carpet and we put in this plank flooring so it will match kind of the rest of the building, and nobody wants to deal with carpet all the time in here when they're mucking around. So Kara's going to give you the grand tour.
I will. So first of all, we are open right now Fridays, Saturdays, and Sundays, 10 to 3, hoping that that can change and we can be open more, but we are waiting for our help to get here. So for now, that's what we're sticking to. Everything in here is marked as is. It'll be brought down 50% off once you bring it to the register. So we'll just do a little tour here. It's a mix of all kinds of goodies for all kinds of people. We've got lots of home decor, candles, napkins, trays, you name it. I mean, there's such a mix of things in here, and it's so fun. Socks, dishcloths. And it's all great stuff that Skull had, the Butik had. We just run out of room and we need to freshen things up, so we bring things out here so that we can freshen up inside. But it's all great things. Got cat stuff, puzzles, mugs, all kinds of good stuff. Dishcloths. We have lots of clothes.
We have clogs.
And clogs. We know the ladies love the clogs. Jackets, pants, shorts. We got some t-shirts, some Stubor t-shirts if you need some Stubor gear yet. We've got new gear over at Stubor, but we also have some of our older designs, which are just as great. We have accessories, purses, more clothes. Then we come into this room, and Christmas, everyone's shopping for the holidays year round. So, you know, we got Christmas, lots of gnomes, Tomties, little bird clips here, mugs, glitter guys up here. These light up, which are really cool. Put a little battery in there. We got winter hats, more shoes.
Yeah, right now is the good time to grab a Dale of Norway hat because those don't usually go on sale.
No,
we have a couple of them.
That is some good quality
Yes, ma'am.
stuff. Keeps you warm for the cold winters. Some more dishware. These cute little felt bowls you can use for all kinds of miscellaneous things. Come on in here. We've got accessories, readers, sunglasses, purses. You need some flip-flops for the summer, little kids' booties, earrings, lots of bouquets of flowers. And these ones don't die. They're great to take care of, easy to take care of, which is always a win. Some fun t-shirts, some country t-shirts. A day without a Dane is like a day without sunshine.
Yep.
There we go. And we have a server named Dane inside, and we gave him one of those t-shirts as a gift, and he really loved it. Some
You know, it's so funny too because when we walk around, there's all kinds of nooks and crannies. This is my favorite. And I know that Zoe sold them over at school, but every time I have something at home, they're stacking bowls, and I have like a little something in there, yogurt, cereal, and what a great gift.
So
you know what I
cute.
mean? Just a lot of the things in here are really good gift grabbers. Like, just say you're up here visiting people and you're like, oh, we should have brought them a housewarming gift or something. We have little bird houses. We have all kinds of things.
You name it. We've got a mix of it all.
Yep.
Yeah, so we'd love for you to stop in. We'll be open on Friday at 10 o'clock till 3, and same with Saturday, Sunday. And hopefully moving forward, we can start being open every day. We'd love to be. And then keep filtering in new stuff, fun stuff.
But after last weekend, on Memorial Day weekend, it was really good. We worry that we're not going to have anything to put in here, but that's a good problem to have because we definitely have to get rid of things.
Yes.
But I have to say, explain how it works for payment because I think some people might get confused.
Yes. So to make it easy on us and you, we are only accepting credit card. We are not doing any gift cards, no cash out here, no checks. So when you come out here, expect that to be the only form of payment that we are doing. Also, with that being said, all sales are final. Everything is one and done. You buy it, it's yours. If you don't want it, you can give it away to somebody else.
You can start collecting and you can open up your own Telemark boutique.
Absolutely. And so with that being said, no receipts will be given. And the girls know when they're working out here, it's card only, no receipts, and no returns. So whatever you get, you're stuck with. We hope you love it.
Right, and one other thing I'm going to point out before we say goodbye to you is in here, there is a painting that I dug up when it was in storage. And this is the Telemark Boutique right up above there, somebody painted. And the little building that you see in the background, that is the Stabur, which is now our bar next door between the Skoll Boutique and the restaurant. We dragged that little building over there and we built a bar all the way around it. It's unfortunate that you can't see the peak of it and the roof because we had to put that yellow cover in case it rained, but that was the original setting there. We had another, doesn't show it on here, but there's another little one on the right. So I like the old paintings and the history part of it. So if anybody wanted to know, that's part of it. So, but
yeah,
anyway, we're excited.
Yeah, we're so excited not only to come shop out here, but it's pretty just to sit. It's peaceful.
Yeah,
it's
we
like
have
a little
the
oasis.
pond. There's like tadpoles in the pond and frogs and toads, and your kids can run around. And the men who don't like to shop, we've got little chairs out in the sunshine. They can go out there and let their wives have at it.
And lay in the grass. Yeah. Take a nap.
Do it. Bring a beer over. Sit in the chair.
Yeah, there you go.
Well, this is pretty cool. We're excited about it. It's our first time. So if you come in here and you think, this doesn't go with this and this doesn't go with this. But when you get down to the nitty gritty and you only have these left, it's hard to pair it up with everything that we have on sale in here. So you're just going to have to use your imagination and think of the people that you're shopping for.
Mm-hmm. We're excited. We can't wait to see you all.
Yeah. Say hi to Kara in the boutique, people.
Yes,
I work in the
do.
warehouse, so I won't see you as much. But if you never know, I might get stuck out here sometimes.
Yeah.
And the only problem is out here that I always say, when you get older and you have to go to the bathroom all the time, there's no bathroom out here, people, so you better do your duty before you come shopping. Otherwise, there's bathrooms at the bar and at the restaurant and at Skoll, and we are just kind of excited to see how this rolls.
Yes.
So
far, so good.
Yeah. Well, thanks for joining us for another episode of Door County Girl, and you can like and subscribe at the bottom of the page, and maybe Kara and I will do another episode of this just to let you know how the season went at the end.
Absolutely.
Hopefully we'll walk through an empty store, right?
That's the goal, and then fill it up again next year.
You guys will
That's
help
what
us
we wanna
empty
do.
it. Yeah, there's cool stuff to get rid of,
Absolutely.
so take advantage while you can.
Awesome.
Bye, everyone.
Bye.
Thank you. Thanks for watching Door County Girl. Don't forget to subscribe, and we will see you next time.